Firstly, I don't think that lockdown has affected New Zealand banks too much. From speaking to senior people inside banks, data suggests that there was less people logging on. There was also less uptake of new people logging onto online banking for the first time. And from the other conversations I had, there was a situation where call centres were set up to support the likes of the elderly, which they were utilising rather than using online banking for the first time. The big winners were the pay later platforms. I think that a lot of people were buying things online, and that meant that instead of utilising credit cards and such, people were taking advantage of interest-free, the likes of Afterpay or Lay-By. Banks are seen as trusted guardians. There's such a huge array of data that they have access to from us all as individuals. I'd say that banks have an opportunity to personalise the experience of online banking more than they do currently. Empathy is going to be so important as we move forward, and banks will need to understand that good people go through hardship, and that doesn't mean it's a reflection on those people moving forward. And in the long term, the support they provide will offer a customer for life. Banks need to start with the customer experience across multiple customers and work backwards from that, looking at then what technology plugs into that experience, what's the relevant data sets that are needed, what modelling of the data is required, what analytics is going to add value. And from doing that, they will reach and meet those needs. There's also going to be a shift in talent as we move forward, so a real need for human-centered design. So not necessarily technology first, but back to the point of understanding what the problem is, really business-savvy technical people looking to find the best outcome. Global studies show that banks are needing to partner with the likes of fintech, specialist data and analytic companies and technology businesses as we go forward, really leveraging those capabilities and increasing the IP internally and growing that internal capability within the bank. Over $1 trillion has been spent to date on digital within banking, which is just a huge amount of money, and that's only going to continue to accelerate as we move forward with the likes of open banking, which is already huge in the US and in Europe. To me, the best examples of online banking are where it simplifies the experience of the user and it reduces the number of clicks that you're making and makes the person's life so much easier.